Salmon have held an integral role in the indigenous culture of North America, with stories from many nations discussing the necessity for respect of the fish and especially its bones. Traditionally, the health of salmon has been proportional to the health of humans. Salmon live their entire life trying to reproduce, and then soon after they do, they die. That to me is special because it speaks about the fragility of the life cycle. Salmon come in two varieties, wild and farmed. If you are storing salmon, freezing it increases enzyme activity and aspartate. While farming has led to changes in the weight and the amino acid content in the flesh of the salmon, salmon contains some notable proteins and vitamins including omega-3 fatty acids. Some have wondered if different types of cooking have an effect on the nutrition of the salmon. It does not. It was found, though, that cooking it over a fire reduces the moisture content. The primary disease to look out for in salmon is anisakis, a parasitic worm transmitted by the intake of uncooked fish and treated by endoscopy. An increase in consumer interest has led researchers to develop a fingerprint methodology of salmon that tests diet to distinguish between wild and farmed salmon. In the next video, we are talking about the environmental impact of eating salmon, so comment, like, and subscribe to keep up to date. And as always, stay healthy and eat good food.